Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to hop on and give a quick show and tell and brief description of this photo album that I made for my Aussie auntie before I send it off. So here we go. This is a Booksmith tome, solid, hand constructed, and this is a fern that I made a stencil from an old 19th century botany book. And Prim's favorite color is red, and she has tons of ferns all over, all kinds of ferns all over her garden. So she gets a fern. And this is the spine. I did a hot glue wax seal with a fern and on top of a little bit of marbled paper, and then there's the back. And we'll open her up. Okay, so this is marbled paper end papers, and this is a book plate that I made for her. And I will show you, this is a traveler's notebook with the elastic bands. So I've got 3 photo albums in here. This snazzy picture of her, she was wearing the glasses already, and then I put a crown on her. So there's that one, and then here's the second photo album, and then this one's empty for her to add her own photos. And then here's the back with a pocket. And yeah, that's it. I will hopefully be back sooner rather than later with another video on 2025 planners, journals, notebooks coming up. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.